2 killed in horrific truck collision on the N2 in Zinkwazi. 2 people were killed following a collision between 2 trucks on the N2 Zinkwazi in KwaZulu-Natal. The horrific accident happened in the early hours on Monday, June 26. According to the emergency service, IPSS Medical Rescue, medics arrived at the chaotic scene, with multiple injuries, and with some looting taking place in one of the trucks. IPSS said reports from the scene were that a smaller truck was initially rear-ended by another truck. The smaller truck went down an embankment, while the second truck veered into oncoming traffic, resulting in a head-on collision with a third truck. The driver and front passengers of the smaller truck were lucky to escape with minor injuries. Sadly, the 2 passengers on the back of the truck sustained fatal injuries and were declared on scene. The driver of one of the larger trucks sustained moderate injuries and was transported to hospital by IPSS Medical Rescue. The driver and passengers of the other truck all sustained critical injuries and were entrapped. According to IPSS, KwaZulu-Natal District Municipality Fire Department and Rural Metro Fire worked to extricate the patients, all while some looting of one of the trucks took place. The 3 patients were successfully extricated and their care handed over to the waiting medical crews. 2 patients were transported under the care of IPSS Medical Advanced Life Support to a suitable facility. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.